What if I told you that artificial intelligence could make you rich? Not in 5 years, not in 10 years, but starting today. Because right now, AI isn't just a tool, it's a money-making machine. Every few decades, there's a massive shift in technology. And when that happens, a small group of people, the ones who act fast, get insanely rich. It happened when the internet was born. It happened with social media. And now, it's happening with AI. The question is, will you be one of the people who take advantage of it? Because here's the truth. AI is already writing books that are selling for thousands of dollars. AI is running entire YouTube channels, making creators 6 figures per month. AI is automating businesses, saving time, and increasing profits like never before. And here's the best part. You don't need any investment, experience, or skills to start. All you need is the right strategy. And today, I'm going to give it to you. I'm breaking down 3 AI-powered businesses that are making people $10,000 per month or more. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to launching your own AI business, so you can stop wasting time on side hustles that don't work and start making real money. This could be the video that changes your life. So grab a notebook, focus up, and let's get into it. AI business number 1, Faceless YouTube automation. And listen carefully, because this is a gold mine that almost nobody is taking advantage of. Right now, there are YouTube channels making $10,000, $50,000, even $100,000 per month without ever showing their face. And the best part? AI does almost all the work. Here's exactly how it works. Number 1, AI writes the script for you. Use ChatGPT to generate viral video scripts on trending topics like finance, business, or AI. In just seconds, you have a ready-to-go script without writing a single word. Number 2, AI creates the voiceover tools like 11 Labs or Murph. I turn your script into a professional, human-like voiceover. No need to record anything yourself. Number 3, AI generates the video platforms like Pictory, Synthesia, or Runway ML Edit. The entire video for you using AI-powered footage and animations. Number 4, AI designs the thumbnail. Use Midjourney or Canva to create high click-through rate CTR thumbnails that attract views. And now, here's where the money starts rolling in. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube pays you for views. And here's the secret. Most people don't know. If you choose a high RPM niche like finance, business, or AI, you can make $20 to $50 per 1,000 views. So, let's do the math. A video with 100,000 views, that's $2,000 to $5,000. 10 videos with 100,000 views each, that's $20,000 to $50,000. And that's just AD revenue. You can make even more with sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and product sales. The only question is, are you going to take action? AI business number 2, selling AI-generated digital products. This is one of the fastest ways to create passive income, because once you make a product, it keeps selling forever. Here's how to do it. Number 1, create AI-generated ebooks. Use ChatGPT to generate a complete book on a hot topic like business, productivity, or finance. Then, use Canva to design a stunning cover. Number 2, sell AI-generated templates. Businesses need marketing materials, social media graphics, and business planners. AI tools like Canva, Jasper AI, and Midjourney can create them in seconds. Number 3, make AI-powered online courses. AI can help you structure an entire course, write scripts, and even generate AI avatars to present your content. Sell these on Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad. Number 4, sell AI-generated voiceovers. Many people need professional voiceovers but don't want to record them. Tools like 11 Labs let you sell AI-generated voices without speaking a word. Once your product is ready, you can sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, Amazon KDP, or your own website. And here's the crazy part. You only need to create a product once, but it can sell thousands of times. Some Etsy sellers are making $10,000 to $50,000 per month selling AI-generated digital products. And with AI, you can create and launch a product in under a day. So if you've ever wanted to make passive income, this is your chance. The third AI business model is AI automation services. And let me tell you, this is one of the biggest opportunities of the decade. Right now, businesses are desperate for AI solutions. They've heard about AI, they see others using it, but here's the problem. They don't know how to implement it, and that's where you come in. From small startups to billion-dollar corporations, companies are actively searching for AI experts to help them integrate automation into their business. And the best part? You don't even need to be an expert, because AI itself does most of the work. So, what kind of AI automation services are in high demand right now? 1. AI-powered content writing. content is king. But businesses don't have time to write articles, blog posts, or social media content. That's why they're willing to pay big money for someone who can do it for them. And thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai, you can generate high-quality articles in minutes and sell them for $50 to $500 per article. Imagine this. You take just 30 minutes to generate a well-researched blog post using AI. You tweak it slightly, make it look professional, and deliver it to a client. Boom! You just made $200 for less than an hour of work. And with platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour, you can land multiple clients every single day. Let's do some quick math. If you write just 2 articles per day at $200 each, that's $400 per day. That's $12,000 per month, just from writing. And the best part, you don't even have to write. AI does 90% of the work for you. 2. AI video editing services. Right now, content creators and businesses are spending thousands of dollars on video editing. But with AI-powered tools like RunwayMail, Pictory, and Descript, you can edit videos in a fraction of the time with zero technical skills. Here's how it works. AI can automatically cut, trim, and edit videos in minutes. AI can add subtitles, background music, and transitions with just a click. AI can generate stock footage, animations, and even voiceovers for you. And businesses love this. Why? Because they don't want to waste time editing videos. They just want fast, high-quality results. That's where you come in. You offer AI-powered video editing services, charge $500 to $2,000 per project, and get paid to let AI do the work. And once you build a reputation, you can land monthly retainer clients who pay you $1,000 plus per month for consistent video editing services. Let's say you get just 5 clients paying you $2,000 per month. That's $10,000 per month from video editing alone. And here's the best part. AI keeps getting better, which means the time you spend editing will keep going down, but your income will keep going up. 3. AI chatbot development. Customer service is a $10 billion industry, and AI is completely revolutionizing it. Think about it. When was the last time you contacted customer support? Probably recently, right? Now imagine this. Instead of waiting 30 minutes for a human agent, AI responds in 3 seconds. Instead of one person handling 5 customers at a time, AI handles 500 customers at once. Instead of companies paying thousands of dollars for customer service teams, they pay one-time fees for AI chatbots. And here's where you make money. With tools like ChatGPT API, ManyChat, and BotPress, you can create AI-powered customer service chatbots for businesses without any coding skills. And here's the insane part. Companies are already paying $5,000 plus per chatbot. Why? Because chatbots save businesses thousands of dollars per month by replacing expensive customer service teams. Here's how you profit. You find small businesses that need AI-powered customer support. You offer to build them a chatbot for $2,000 to $5,000. You use ChatGPT API to create the chatbot in just a few hours. Just 2 chatbot sales per month? That's $10,000. And once you get good at it, you can scale this to 6 figures per year. How big is the opportunity? Let's break it down. The AI industry is growing at an explosive rate. 79% of businesses say they will use AI automation within the next 2 years. The global AI market is expected to reach $1.50 trillion by 2030. Businesses are actively searching for AI experts, and they're willing to pay a lot for the right solutions. And here's the crazy part. You don't need to be an AI expert. You just need to know how to use AI tools. And businesses will pay you to implement them. Imagine landing just 5 clients per month, each paying you $2,000. That's $10,000 per month from AI automation services alone. And since AI does most of the work, you can scale this faster than any other business model. Which AI business will you start? Now you know 3 powerful AI businesses that can make $10,000 plus per month. Faceless YouTube automation create AI-powered YouTube videos and earn from ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliates. AI digital products. Sell AI-generated ebooks, templates, and courses on autopilot. AI automation services. Help businesses with AI content writing, video editing, and chatbot development. The question is, which one will you start? Comment below and let me know. And if you're serious about making money with AI, subscribe now, because I'll be dropping even more AI money-making secrets in my next video. Start today. Your future self will thank you.